Hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm over here at the T-Rex. Now the T-Rex is located over in Disney Springs, and as you can see, it's a big prehistoric restaurant and gift shop. As you're walking in, you're greeted with the big old safari vehicle parked right out front, and the big brontosaurus. As we're making our way in, you see the big octopus over at the bar. You've got lots of dinosaurs, the big solar system up on the ceiling, and tons of rocks on the outside, which you'll find the fossils in and the old dinosaur remains, like the bones that you see spread out through the store. Now, if you go up to the right up there, there's actually a little dino dig site out there for your kids. So if they want to go out front and dig up some old fossils, you can bring them out there, they can play in the sand. But otherwise, it's pretty much a small gift store, but in the back of it, it's kind of unique because you've actually got a little Build-A-Dinosaur section. So it's kind of like Build-A-Bear, but you're building the dinosaur. So you go in here, you choose your dinosaur that's like right there in the back there, and you've got all kinds of clothing around the outside that you can actually pick to go with your dinosaur. You're gonna pick it out, they're gonna fill it up for you, they're gonna put the heart in there, stitch it, and you're gonna get a birth certificate with the dinosaur that you name as you're going in here. And you can see up on top, you've got all the lights. They look like the stars of the solar system. You've got dinosaurs spread out all over the place. And I did say it was a small gift shop, but they've actually got a lot of stuff to choose from in here. So when you guys are actually walking around, there's quite a bit you can choose from and see. And I always like to stop in, just like the Rainforest Cafe, because periodically they do get that, a couple of items in here that you might not see. So it's always worth walking in, get something new. You don't know. You can come in here and find the same old stuff, or sometimes just get lucky. This is one of the cash registers if you guys are paying and stuff like that. But we're gonna get another look at the Build-A-Dinosaur experience in the back. You've got your dinosaurs, and now these all come to life. So when you're watching, around the actual shop and in the restaurant, these dinosaurs actually move, make noises. The sky starts blinking like lightning. So it's kind of cool to see. This is like one of them interactive restaurants and shops. So it's kind of like the Rainforest Cafe, but here you have all the dinosaurs and you've got the solar system. So it's a little bit different than a rainforest. Now right now we're out front again, so we're out of the store and we're looking at the bar. So you've got the octopus. Now if you watch the octopus, the tentacles actually move. It's really cool. If you sit here a while, we got another video posted of a lot of time with the octopus overviews. But you're gonna walk in, and in this restaurant, it's set up in different sections. So you're gonna go here, and you've got all the fire. So this is all like the fire section, and this is, and you can see in the back where they're actually gonna prep your food and stuff like that. And in the distance, you're gonna see they've got like a frozen section. So it's kind of cool. But this is a good look at the bar. This is a real fun bar, very similar to the Rainforest Cafe once again, but this one is not the same theming. It's once again dinosaurs. You got your woolly mammoth up here. Now he's gonna actually mark where the two little sections of like the fire and the ice come together. So there's in the back, you can see the live fire, the actual fire that they're gonna be cooking some of your dinner with when you guys come and you stay in here. And then one of the seating areas is the icy section in the back, and we're gonna get to that in a couple of seconds as we make our way around. But this is the back of the bar once again. And as you're leaving the bar, you're going into another seated area. So you've got different areas that you're gonna sit with different dinosaurs spread out all around the restaurant. And in the background, you still have the same type of scenario as the rainforest with all the aquariums. So it's kind of cool seeing the aquariums. You got the big lit up jellyfish in the back there. And as you're making your way around, you see the triceratops over here. So if you're sitting in here, this is actually gonna be the triceratops section. So you're gonna walk in here. These guys actually move, obviously. You can see them interacting. So you're eating your dinner. You're in the light or you're in the dark, depending on where you wanna sit. So sitting here, you got a lot of lighting, which is kind of cool, so you can actually see. But if you want more interaction, I like actually sitting in a darker area. So we're making our way around here. You've got different dinosaurs spread out all through the entire restaurant. So we're making our way around the back here. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you get around the back side of the ice section here. But we're going to continue on through, give you guys more of, today just is a real lucky day that nobody's in here and they let me come on through with the camera. So this is another back view here. And it's nice because you don't have everybody putting your camera in everybody's face while they're trying to eat. But there's some people on the inside actually eating. And this is another look from inside of the ice section. It's like an ice cavern in there, and they've got the big fossil on the wall in there. So now I'm making my way back around the front here. You got some dinosaurs over on the right there, and you can see everything is just, it's really cool. The sounds that you hear and the interactiveness with the dinosaurs, it actually kind of makes you feel like you're in that era, even though it was hundreds of millions of years away. See the little arms moving on these guys? It's kind of cool. So some of them, their faces move, some of them, their arms move, their heads move. They make the different noises and stuff. You got the Stegosaurus up on the right here as we're making our way back around. Once again, you got the Triceratops. And the bar is just incredible. If you're looking and you're walking around, the fire and the ice section are probably the ones that are going to get your attention the most. You either like the dark section of like the ice area, or you're going to like the fire. Now, I myself, I like the fire and the ice sections just because they feel like you're more in that type of, I don't know, it's just like you're in the feeling of the actual dinosaur. And you get to see your food getting cooked with the fire. So it's kind of cool being in that area. But each person's going to have their own preferences, what you want. And as you make your way back around through the bar area here, which is all lit up, you can see, which is really awesome, you're going to make your way back out to the store and back out into Disney Springs. So once again, guys, the T-Rex over at Disney Springs. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you on the next one.